International Financial Reporting Standards, or IFRS, provide a common global language for accounting. These standards are undergoing changes which will have big implications for both construction and real estate companies. It's important for these companies to understand how these changes will impact them and how they should also respond. IFRS is a set of accounting standards developed by the International Accounting Standards Board. They provide a standardized way for public companies to prepare and disclose financial statements across the globe. These principles allow for simplified accounting procedures and the use of common reporting language. The new requirements mean significant changes to both revenue recognition and lease accounting. These new revenue recognition requirements dictate that construction companies can recognize revenue only when the corresponding obligation has been satisfied. Construction companies need to clearly identify these performance obligations in a project and tie revenues to those performance obligations. The new lease accounting rules require that when you lease equipment or real estate, you must account for these leases as liabilities, which can materially change the financial position of companies with large lease obligations. Construction and other project-based companies need to carefully think about how they will adjust practices to accommodate the new standards. Fortunately, with SAP solutions, no changes were actually required to the revenue recognition functionality in the underlying SAP software. On the leasing side, however, significant changes were required. Without these changes, companies would have to do a lot of manual calculations and entries. The good news is that SAP has released the required functionality to meet these new standards. Since SAP's Lease engine is part of the financial core of our solutions, the accounting entries are made automatically. That means SAP customers can continue to rely on SAP solutions to perform these complex calculations for them. To learn how SAP solutions can help you prepare for the new IFRS revenue recognition and lease accounting requirements, email sapconstruction@sap.com.